I'm showing you how to install Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. First we go to Google, then we search Brothers, download Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons APK. The first site will become Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons Android APK game, Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons free download. We click on it and we scroll down and we click on the download and game catch. We have to download Android 4.0 and higher game catch mall, and we download it, and then the download will be start. So please like us. This video is about how to download Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons APK from Google. Thank you for watching this video, and when this download, so you can play.